Don't start English learning grammar. Never, ever. Don't even think about starting grammar if you want to start learning English. Hello, guys. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about how you can learn English without starting grammar, or how grammar can kill your English, your discipline, your consistency, and everything. A lot of people, when they want to learn English or any language, they start grammar. They think if they don't start the grammar or the first rule, they think they never speak the language. But that is not true. That is not true. I'm here speaking English and I never even check grammar. And I don't know how grammar works. I speak in English and you may think, why you speak in English if you don't know grammar? It is, yeah, it is. It is what it is. Like, I know grammar, my sentences, everything is correct. I'm using correct grammar, but the grammar I learn is not something I focus on. It's something come to automatically for me. I just learn in English sentences, English words, listen English, and practice my language and grammar. It is one of them. I not learn just focus grammar, memorizing, and get confused. I just learning grammar for listening, practicing, and learning phrases. So today we're gonna learn phrases instead of grammar. Keep grammar here and put phrases. We need to use phrases. We need to learn phrases. If you start learning English and if you want to start learning English, or if you already started, this video is for you. If you're under B1 or between A1 or beginner. So I mean beginner between intermediate. You don't need to even think about grammar. Just put grammar there and forget. So instead, we're gonna learn English phrases. Phrases is the most important thing, the main thing in English. You can learn a language. Learning how are you, learning can you help me out, learning how to speak the language instead of mastering the rules. These rules, if you wanna write English down, maybe you need the rules. But if you wanna speak the language, you don't need rules. You need to listen and learn. And speak the language. So learn phrases instead of grammar. Forget grammar here. And also, what phrases help you out? Phrases can help you speak English properly and speak so fastly, like learn a short time. I've been seeing so many people who learn English almost 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, and that is something shocks me. I literally see those people in while I'm talking to my platform. I can practice my English in international people. I ask them how long have you been learning English, and they give me so many different responses. And they saying we learn English 10 years. Even I see those people. I see people who saying I learn English 3 years, and that is all. It's something shocks me. For me, I've been learning English for 5 months. I already hit 5 months, and those 5 months I never focus grammar. I just focus sentences, listening English, and practicing. That is the three main things I focus always. So right now, focus sentences. I mean, phrases and sentences same. Phrases means the daily conversation we use, like how are you, I'm good, where you from, and I need help, kind of stuff. All they are phrases. So learn phrases, learn sentences, and also you can learn words. But I think when you learn sentences or when you learn a single word is more different. Today I wanna, for example, today I learning this is a car, or I learn a car. What different? This time I learn phrases, I learn preposition, I learn car word, I learn so many things. But when you just learn a car, just a single word, and you can, forget easily. So just learn phrases. Learn I am driving, I am talking, I am doing stuff like I had my lunch. Learn like that. Don't just focus in any single word or grammar. But you can learn the words is more than you can learn words. You can, if you can. But I think the most against is grammar. Grammar is when it is just rule, but this rule can come automatically, come to your mind automatically. Like when you use the language for a long time and speak people, the grammar comes automatically. So you don't need to learn grammar. If you want to learn fast English and more expression, for example, I have so many friends. Some they start learning grammar, and some they learn English normal. They are different. I saw them the way they speaking. A lot of people, well, been practicing English, many different applications, Hello Talk, episode, and so many. And then some, in Instagram as well. Some people, they when I talk to them, they say in that, how where you from? They say I'm from UK, or I'm from blah blah Hindi. I'm from Switzerland. They thinking the sentences almost 10 or few seconds. Like this is just one sentences. So that is the starting grammar. So when they thinking or saying learning that, or they want to ask you, I have an appointment. When they want to ask you like that, they think about the grammar. Is this past? Is this present? Is this future? They working so hard. But when you not starting grammar, you just say, I have an appointment, easy. And then the person respond to you. Also, it can kill yourself. If you visit somebody's maybe office, maybe you have want to make appointment, maybe you want to have a haircut. If you think about so much, people say, what you think about? Just asking me what question you want to know or what you need. And you need to say, I have that shit. I need like I have appointment. Can you make me a schedule? Can you do that for me? So easy to ask them. So my recommendation is don't start English. If you want to learn English, don't start the grammar. Put grammar here and learn phrases instead. Learn phrases, learn phrasal alphabets, learn new sentences, learn even words, and listen English and practice yourself. So that is the main thing you can learn English without overwhelming, struggling, suffering, easy. And you can learn a pretty short. I'm sure that. So guys, that is our the video. So please hit the like button, subscribe the video, and join us our English journey. I post every week or 2 video, 3 video while I learn English and give you recommendation how I learn English. Guys, have a good one. Our time's up. Bye.